warning for central Dane County and south central Wisconsin, east central Iowa County and south central Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Horeb, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mount Horeb and blackout around 7 p.m., Cross Plains around 7:10 p.m., Verona around 7:20 p.m., Madison and Middleton around 7:25 p.m., Fitchburg, Wanatee and Shorewood Hills around 7:30 p.m., Maple Bluff around 7:35 p.m., McFarland and Monona around 7:40 p.m., Cottage Grove around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Barneveld, Madison, Pine Bluff, Camp Randall Stadium, Blue Mount St. Park, Token Creek, Blue Mountain, Henryville SU. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.